Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I found this logo somebody made, but he just has music, and thought I'd put some wordage to it, some English to it. Get the polygon tool, hold down the control button to make a perfect polygon. I'm going to hit P, it doesn't really matter, I just do that out of habit. Hit the plus sign on your keyboard, and then while holding down the shift key, just make it a little bit different. Now we need to take the 2-point line and go from right there and then start moving and hold down the control button. And go from right there, from that node, start moving, hold down the control button. Get your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now we can move that out of the way, and we can actually get rid of this. Let's hit P, put it back in the center of the page, which doesn't really matter. Now we're going to get another 6-sided polygon, quite a bit smaller, and we're going to use the snap to object and put it snap to right there. And then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to mirror this guy twice, and then I'm going to take this side and I'm going to have it snap to there. Now, while I have that, I'm going to hold down the shift key and select that one, go up to object and group it together. Control D and make a duplicate and rotate it 60 degrees. Control D again and rotate it 60 degrees. And I could have varied my line thickness, but really once it's bigger or smaller, it'll look pretty cool. The other one's quite a bit thicker. You can't really do too much with that. You'd have to start over and just make your line thicker. But that's a pretty easy, quick project. I don't know what you'd ever use it for, but it just gives you some ideas. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.